So check this out. I just hooked this oil skimmer up about a minute and a half ago, and I'm pretty blown away by how well this works. So I've got the world's nastiest coolant tank. I got this machine, and I was doing some work on the oil system, so it got a bunch of extra oil in there. I didn't have any way to scoop it out, so it was just building up and getting worse. And so I got this guy right here. Mini skimmer. I got it off Amazon. I'll put a link in the description of this video. But look how much nasty oil this thing is picking up. Right down in there. I am 3D printing a bracket, but I wanted to just stick it in there so it could start working. Yeah, I almost bought the one from Haas Tooling, but its belt is much more narrow, so you won't have as much surface area. But this thing, man, it is working really well. So I'm very happy with it. Looks like you can get it directly from their website. I paid full price for this. I'm not sponsored by Mini Skimmer, but I'm an Amazon affiliate. So if you use the Amazon link in the description, that will help me out.